Hey guys, welcome back to the Success and Money Mindset channel. If you're new here, I'm Zena, and this channel is all about helping you become successful in your daily life, to develop a growth mindset, and to also help you create a roadmap so that you can achieve the goals that you set out for yourself. Today is February 9th, 2023, and I thought it would be amazing if we went over this awesome program, which is slidesgo.com. It's a free resource where you can actually download Google Slides and PowerPoint templates to use in your presentations, whether it's for work, school, or for something personal. And you can pick from a number of different categories and templates that they have available. They also have a premium version where you can pay a premium to obviously get access to additional templates, but I've always found that their free version has been more than ample. It's great for the different themes that they have available on their site. And it really just creates that additional wow factor when you're making a presentation. So just going through it here on the left-hand side, you can choose by a different color. If you want it to be more yellow based, then it'll pick up templates that are based on that color. If we go back, then we can also choose from different style, whether we want it to be more creative or dark or minimalistic. We can also choose from their most popular designs, as well as if we have a certain industry that we're looking to create a template for or a presentation for, then we can choose either from education, business, marketing, or medical. And they also have different multi-purpose ones. So those can be used for different categories altogether, different niches. If you have multiple, industries that you're looking at creating a presentation for, then this is a great option as well. Alternatively, if you don't find something within this section here, then you can also search for a template in their search bar. So if I wanted something that was more related to, a certain holiday like Valentine's Day that is coming up, then that you can search for, and that will bring up a number of different templates as well. For today's presentation, though, I'm going to go over and use one of their most popular themes and presentations, and I'm going to click on this one here, 2023 Bucket List. From there, I can actually scroll through and I can see all the different pages that they have for this particular template. And if I like it, after viewing the different pages here, I can then select here on the right-hand side if I want to download the template either for Google Slides or for PowerPoint. So for this example, I'm going to be downloading the Google Slides option, and I'm going to click on Make a Copy. And then it takes a couple of moments for it to load, but not too long, maybe like 5 seconds or so. Once it's loaded, though, then that's where the fun begins. You can customize all of the text within the actual presentation. So if I wanted to make this 2023 New Year resolutions, then I can have that option. I can make this box a little bit bigger so that everything fits in. And then I can customize anything else that I want. I can go through, customize each of these pages. And the brilliant thing is that if I want to duplicate a certain page, I can just right click on it and then click on duplicate slide, and it will duplicate that same slide for me. Alternatively, if I want to add a brand new slide into the presentation, I can simply click on the plus button here, and it'll add a new slide without any text or anything on it. And finally, if I wanted to add another slide that was one of these other options, I can click on the drop-down menu and it'll have all these existing slides without any text on it. So I can just simply click on it and it will add in that particular style of page for me with the embedded template so that all the pages are uniform as I'm building out my presentation. Once you have completed everything and you're happy with it, you can even scroll down to the bottom and you can kind of add some additional features to it if you want, whether it's emoticons here. They have editable icons that you can choose from as well as some other cool storytelling emoticons here as well. So that's really cool. It also gives you what do they call this? Like a color palette. so that you can choose the colors specific within the template itself. And so if you wanted to match, say, the writing or certain different colors within your actual presentation, then they give you this color coding here as well, which is absolutely amazing. And finally, once your presentation is ready to go, you can actually just preview it and it'll go through and you can preview all of the different slides. So you can see here as you're previewing it, and add, if you want to add any sort of transitions between pages or animations, that can all be done as well in Google Slides. So that is all for this presentation. If you enjoyed it, please give us a like. And also, if you enjoy these types of videos and want to see more of them, then be sure to subscribe to our channel. And we try to post weekly, if not more, and you'll get notified uh, of those videos as they get released. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.